channel. Today I'll be showing you guys 6 lip swatches of nude lipsticks that go well on Indian skin. So without wasting any more time, let's move on to the swatches. I'll be swatching lipsticks of all the price ranges so you can choose whatever you're comfortable with. So this is the Blue Heavens Artisto Lip Crayon. It's very cheap. I don't have any problem with the texture, but it doesn't stay long, which is well very much expected. So let's see how it looks on my lips. When you apply it, it's more like a lip balm than like a lip crayon because it's rich and creamy. But as I said, it won't last long, but it's a good option in a very affordable range. Now that swatch came a little bit orangier than it is in the real life, so I have decreased the brightness. This is my attempt to make the shades look more real to the actual color that they are. I have seen a lot of videos which are shot in like artificial lighting in which the shades do not look as they originally look, and I don't want this video to be one of such. So I don't care if I am not looking good in this lighting condition. I just hope you can get the real lip swatches that you have clicked this video for. Moving on, I'll be swatching now Wet n Wild Rebel Rose. This is a very close dupe to M.A.C Mehr. I have that as well. I'll swatch it for you guys. But the thing is, since its price is less, it doesn't stay as long as Mehr stays on your lips, and Mehr is obviously much more creamier. The texture is much more nicer because of the price range. But this is also a very good lipstick, and you can try it out if you just want to experiment with nude lipsticks. And now let's see the swatch of it. All the lipsticks that I'll be swatching is very comfortable on the lips. The only thing is that the ones that are in the affordable range won't last as long as the ones in the pricier range. So here's Rebel Rose for you. Now I'll be swatching M.A.C Mehr. So I got this mini one for myself, the mini M.A.C, because to tell the truth, I don't use lipstick that much that I can finish a full size. In most cases, the lipstick expires before I can even reach half of it. So now let's move on to the swatch. You can already tell the similarity between this and Rebel Rose. Both are those pinky mauvey nude. But this is obviously creamier and long lasting. And a bit more pinkier. So this is M.A.C Mehr for you guys. Coming back to brown nudes, this is Daydream from Colourpop Lipsticks. So there is another shade, Cupish. Both of these are really similar, so you can get any of them. Now let's see the swatch. This is Daydream, and make sure you're using a lip balm before you apply this lipstick because this lipstick is kind of drying. Not very much, but it's a little bit drying. Moving on to another brown nude shade. This is a bit darker nude, so people who have a medium to darker skin tone, this will suit you all. This is from Milani. It is their matte lip cream in the shade Loved. So let's see the swatch. This has an amazing smell. I don't know why, but this smells amazing. And finally I am here with my recent purchase. This is Ginger from Kylie Lipsticks. This is not affordable, this is a bit pricey, and even I have bought it after much long time. This was in my wish list for long, and this is the first time that I'll be trying this out with you guys. This comes with the lip liner and the matte liquid lipstick. Let's swatch it. Wow, the lip liner itself is so creamy. I'll fill my lips with it and then go on top with the liquid lipstick. With all the swatching, my lips are really dry, so it is not giving a good finish. But if you have moisturized lips, you can just wear this on its own. It's looking gorgeous. Now let me top it up. Wow, this color is so gorgeous. This is not a pure brownish tone nude. It has shades of orange in it. This is such a beautiful color. I hope you can get the true color. This is beautiful, you guys. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. See you guys soon again. Till next time. Bye.